Hello, my friends, and good evening. Well, we had our first hiccup in the planning process of the trip. Actually, a fairly mild one. So, when we bought our tickets almost a year ago, it was during the whole pandemic. So they were selling tickets and lightly filling up airplanes. Well, now that things are starting to calm down, they're starting to merge other flights into each other to kind of try to fill up the airlines. So what happened was our leaving time jumped up about 2 hours, which means we arrive in Florida, Orlando, a couple hours later. So I had to call up the rental place and tell them that the pickup would be a different time than planned. So it all got ironed out, smoothed out. Everything worked out for the best. So my wife told our travel agent to make another payment towards the trip, and then in a couple of days after that goes through, we'll tell her to finish it off, and then the trip will be all paid for. All right, well, that's what's up for tonight. So until we see each other tomorrow and we do it again, bye-bye for now.